slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who judge it. Being negative when you should be getting after it.
This is the family mula.
I got facts over tracks. Come from the slave, father, wife, mother, think I'm all fast, but I don't know what that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious. Because you are behind the fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be an interior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last. And to believe in what you got, you was built to last.
Make it, they touching the man. The value for the man, they depend for the musculation. The weight, the minimum weight is 60 kilograms, 60. For the man, now 60 kilograms. For 3 months, the slave they weight board, they have the time to feed small people by them free. See they feed, they give beans and butter. One family they come together, father, mother, children, and young lady they work separate. The both sides, they send their reserve for the men. The both sides, left and right, 3, left, right, they have 2. And the dimension is 2 meters by 2 meters. But the number of the slave left body because later 100 people, 200 slaves. See they have 150 inside. They want 50 people inside of the slave. See they have 200 sit down, back against the wall, they put the chacal's neck, hand and leg. They liberate the slave for the day inside the cell to go to toilet. This is the cell for the kids.
This one.
The children, they select the body, they depend for the kids, name of. The minimum age is 7 years before 11. Before the cell is here, inside they have corridor, they cut the children inside like a sardine boxing. The type of mortality, cell of children is high. We make 25 children inside.
25 children.
25.
Here or there?
Inside.
Inside.
Yes. Men and women. Before the type of mortality, the cell of children is high. The innocent children, they cannot see the mothers. They separate the children and the mothers. They cry every day. And the value, they depend only the teeth, the children, to say the years. Minimum age is 7 years, 11.
This is very terrible.
Before they bring in the children, they have 2 reasons. The first reason, the children, the parent is bigger. And the second reason, the children, they recycling the agriculture, come the cotton.
Go outside, is dark.
From the cotton and the vegetable and the fruit. And they recycling record. To go to the ship, the door to give up by the ocean, they named the door of no return.
Door of no return.
Door of no return. All the slaves to pass the door, they're not coming back. They take goodbye Africa.
Ah.
Wow. If you can go to the door of no return, you have left the big cell there for the woman.
Woman.
25 and 30 women, they use some the woman of the men. The value for the woman, they depend the size of the breast. Later the door of no return, this corridor, left and right, they use it the corridor for the waiting room. Yeah. The slave, they wait here to come back the ship. See, they go to the ship, they bring in the chakals 2 by 2, and the leg here, they make the iron bull. Ronda is 10 kilograms, 300. Corridor for the guard. This is the corridor for the guard. The security. Guard. Because all the ship to go, the slave, they try to skip. They jumping, they shooting by the guard, and they are eaten by the shark. Before the slave to have sickness, they throw in the water.
Shark is there?
No, now they have no shark.
Now they don't have
try,
but before
the slave. It's finished. All the years, the mayor of Gorée they organize big competition, swimming competition, swimming, Dakar and Gorée.
Okay.
This is the cell for the punishment. The slave to make too much trouble. They put inside. They just make 6 before 7 people.
We can go inside.
Nelson Mandela was here November 1991. They go inside. See, they go out. They cry.
Nelson
At
Mandela.
that time, 10 minutes to leave the Nelson Mandela inside of this cell. They remember the dream of apartheid. Apartheid, yes. From Robben Island. But the condition to leave the slave, they make a cry Nelson Mandela. This is the iron bull to make it the leg. See, they go to toilet by the slave. Here for the leg. See, they go to toilet. Cannot escape.
Okay.
See, they go to the ship. They make it the iron 2 by 2, the slave for the center.
It's very heavy.
Yes. You know, if one day like to skip, they bring in the second to sink. The iron they give to die under of the water. This is the jackals. The slave leg and leg is same of it.
Okay.
Barack Obama come back 2030.
Okay.
And I have a mayor, the mayor of Gorée and the president, Macky Sall, and the curator, the new curator, to explain about the history inside. And this is the key Jacob Zuma.
Who is it?
Jacob Zuma, the president of South Africa. Wow. And here, this is the kids of Malcolm X. Kids is dead. No, long time. This is the man they play in football, American play. Wow, soccer. This is Clinton, George Bush, W. Bush. And Clinton is here, come back 1998.
This is Mandela.
Wow, Nelson Mandela is here.
Yeah.
दोस्तों फाइनली हमारा टूर कंप्लीट हो चुका है और हम यहाँ फेरी के लिए लाइन में लगे। दोस्तों इस आइलैंड में मुझे आकर बहुत अच्छा लगा। ये बहुत ही हिस्टोरिकल प्लेस है। दोस्तों मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग को ये हिल्डे गोरे आइलैंड पसंद आया होगा। मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।